Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about making chicken meatballs. Chicken meatballs are a great thing to do. You can use so many different kind of sauces. Today I'm using my roasted red pepper sauce that I just made. And I also want to talk to you about doing your own ground chicken. Now, you can obviously buy ground chicken, but I prefer to just get chicken thighs and make it myself. I like the chicken thighs because it's just more tender and moist than chicken breast, and oftentimes think it's cheaper as well. So I've got 4 chicken thighs, boneless, skinless, and I'm just going to chop them up into kind of small pieces because we're going to take these to the food processor and grind them up into the freezer for about 20 minutes, and this is going to just firm that chicken up so it grinds better. Okay, so chicken out of the freezer into my food processor here. Now we just want to pulse this. We don't want to make paste. We want it to resemble, well, ground chicken. Alright, so let's have a peek and see how we are. And yeah, there you have it, ground chicken. It's that simple, and honestly, I think we're worth the steps for ground chicken. So today's recipe is all about meatballs in a roasted red pepper sauce. Now I have the sauce roasting away over here in the oven, and that's going to be linked on the recipe, and it's going to be a separate video. Sorry, you'll have to go watch the other video for the roasted red pepper sauce. So for our meatballs, 1 egg, half a cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I find the best tool to combine all this is your hands. Now I'm doing my meatballs up a little early. I think it's only like 2 o'clock, so I'm going to do my meatballs up and pop them in the refrigerator, and that way when dinner comes, they'll be ready to go. If you want your meatballs to all be the same, a scoop is a great way to go, and obviously you saw me spray it, helps keep it from sticking. All right, it is dinner time, so meatballs, check. Roasted red pepper sauce, check. So we have a really pretty view out the window tonight, so and you can see a skillet. I've got my skillet heating up. Now, even though the roasted red pepper sauce is a separate video, but it is easy to do. It's going to be delicious together. But I did roast the shallots and the garlic and the red pepper in the skillet, and I didn't even bother to wipe it out. But now that we're getting hot, I'm going to do a swirl of avocado oil. Actually, I could have grabbed my extra virgin olive oil. Either one will work. And I did a good knob of butter. We're going to put these meatballs in here. Another nice thing about the orzo is they pretty much cook about the same time. My orzo is going to cook 12 to 13 minutes. And honestly, you can have this done in 12 to 13 minutes. So I just kind of want to keep an eye on them, keep them turning. So now that they're nice and browned on all sides, we're going to add the sauce. Now I made this sauce, this amount, with 2 red bell peppers. Now we're just going to let these, I'm going to lower my heat. I'm just going to let them simmer in here until my orzo's done. Put a screen on him. He's going to be splashy. But you can always test with your thermometer. So we just put the sauce in here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that, we're only at 125. So after your orzo is done, or whatever you're making, just test it. Make sure your meatball is above 165 and you'll be fine. Orzo is done. Let's check our meatballs. 175. We're perfect. So I'm just going to go down with my orzo. Make a little well in here for our meatballs. This made a lot of meatballs, so I think you could feed 3 people easy. You can stretch it to 4. And then I want to spoon some of this making sauce over here. We're going to pour that over. And then we have to have some Parmesan cheese. If you wanted, you could siphon out a little basil for a garnish. That would be lovely. There she is. Let's taste one. Oh, it's delicious. You want these on your summertime menu. So delicious. I love it. All right. It's time for Billy and I to have dinner. We'll see y'all later. Bye.